how to fix TikTok effects not working. So if you're facing a problem with TikTok effects, first of all you have to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find that kind of problem. So you have to check your internet connection, and after that the second fix is to update your TikTok application. So if you have not updated, then you can go to your Play Store, and then here you will have a search bar on the upper side. You can simply search for TikTok, and after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and then you have to update your TikTok. And after updating, if you still find that kind of problem, then you have to go for settings on your phone, and then go for apps and notifications, and here you can go for TikTok, or you can go for see all apps and then search for TikTok. And after opening TikTok, here you can go for storage and cache. You can simply tap on clear cache, and you have to clear all of the cache. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and after that your filters might be working. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.